Welcome back. Or if you're new here, I'm Chloe, and I help creators and dreamers like you turn your passion into profit. And today, we're diving into a business you can start with zero inventory, no shipping stress, and total creative freedom. Print on demand. So, if you've ever thought about putting your designs, slogans, or ideas on t shirts, mugs, stickers, or even journals, this one is for you. What is print on demand? Let's break it down real quick. Print on demand is a business model where you design a product like a shirt, tote bag, or a poster, but nothing is printed or shown till someone buys it. That means you don't have to order a bunch of inventory up front. No packaging boxes in your kitchen, no worrying about overstock. A customer places an order, your print on demand partner prints it, ships it, and you get paid. How it works, step by step. Let's walk through how to start one from scratch. Step 1. Pick a niche or a theme. Are you into funny mom quotes, pet lovers, bookworms? Choose something specific. The more niche, the better. Step 2. Choose your platform. You can choose platforms like Printful integrates with Etsy or Shopify, Printify, Redbubble, or TeePublic. Step 3. Create your designs. You don't need to be a graphic designer. Use free tools like Canva to design simple text-based graphics, slogans, or clip art-based ideas. Step 4. Upload and mock it up. Use your platform to add designs to mock-ups. T-shirts, mugs, notebooks, whatever you like. Step 5. List your product. Write a simple title, a clear description, and make sure the pricing leaves room for profit. Real talk. What makes a print-on-demand shop work? So what separates the shops that make sales from the ones that don't? 1. Clear niche. Don't sell to everyone. Sell to someone. Dog moms, introverts, bakers, teachers, gamers. Pick a lane and speak their language. 2. Strong visuals. Your product listing needs to look professional. Use great mock-ups and write descriptions that help your product stand out. 3. Consistency. Don't just list once and wait. Keep creating. Post on socials. Try new ideas. This is a creative business. Treat it like one. Bonus. No upfront costs, but some upfront work. Print on demand is great because you don't need startup money, but it does require effort. You'll need to do research, test designs, learn what your audience likes, and keep showing up. It's not magic, but it's simple and scalable. And when you start seeing that first sale come through, it feels amazing. It's proof that your idea has value. If you're ready to explore this more, download my free printable, The Detective's Case File, Passion to Profit. It'll help you map out your niche, your skills, and your first offer idea, whether it's print on demand or something else. Link is below. Let me know in the comments. What kind of products would you love to design and sell? And remember, you don't need perfection to get started. You just need one idea, one design, and the courage to put it out there. Thanks for hanging out today. And as always, seize the day you deserve.